Hi guys, just want to take a few moments to show you our latest Apple CarPlay solution. This is in fact for the Audi R8. So in here we're using a Pioneer Z910. That could change over the years. Remember, this is shot in 2018, but this particular unit gives wireless Apple CarPlay, which is quite unique. So there's no connection to the phone. As you can see, the iPhone is loose, and yet it's playing full Apple CarPlay. So with Apple CarPlay, we've got music, we've got phone, we've got text messaging, we've got all sorts of other apps which are compatible, tune-in radio, WhatsApp now, and that list is growing all the time. So probably by the time you watch this video, not only will we have Apple Maps, but we'll have Google Maps, and we'll also have Waze, because they're all on their way to us. So there aren't any panels available for this car, so we've actually fabricated this from scratch. It looks beautiful. As you can see, we've got all the shape in the bottom here, which looks just like the original radio. This is for a left-hand drive, but in fact we do the same panel for a right-hand drive in a right-hand drive version. We're currently unable to supply these panels. It is something which is custom made in the vehicle. So there you go. Doubled in Audi R8, Apple CarPlay, DAB, Bluetooth, Spotify, just about any other app that your iPhone uses is available here. The finish on the panel is amazing, as you can see. We've also done a reverse camera on this car, so I'm just going to hop out and show you that. It's just tucked neatly above the number plate there. You can just see the tiny reversing camera. Very neat, very high quality. It really is a factory quality installation. So there you have it. If you've got an Audi R8 and you'd like Apple CarPlay, just drop us a line, 01279 757 218, or jump on our website where you'll see it all featured, www.audiofile-incar.co.uk. Thanks for watching.